Hey everyone, Bhagyashree here, and this is my new art channel, and today I am uploading my first basic tutorial on how to do realistic hairs using charcoal pencils. Please do subscribe my channel for more such tutorials. So now I am using some soft charcoal pencil for some base layer. Apply the strokes in the direction of the hairs by observing in the photograph properly, and do not apply pressure on the pencil while doing base layer. Now here I am using a paint brush as a blending tool. You can also use some other blending tools like paper stumps, tissue paper or other, but it is my suggestion to use a paint brush for such realistic effect. Just lightly merge base layer in the direction of the hairs. Now using some soft charcoal pencils, apply the strokes in the direction of the hairs with some pressure to the pencil to create final look to the hairs. Again, using the blending brush, you can again blend the hairs for the final layer to be completed. Now I am using Tombow Mono Zero eraser for highlighting the hairs. Properly observe the light in the reference photograph and start applying in the direction of the hairs properly. Now using some hard charcoal pencil, we will be doing detailings of the hairs. This is the very important part, to draw some loose strands or loose hairs to give it a natural look. In the end, if some dark or light spaces are there, properly observe them and complete it using some harder soft charcoal pencils. Finishing is important as it is totally depend on how your observation is about your photograph. The more you will observe and detail, the more realistic it will look. this is how the final look is. I hope you liked the video and the step-by-step tutorial. I'll be coming up with some other tutorials. Please do subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching.